It is Wednesday, and I am back in the office. I was in court this morning in Philadelphia representing a client. Then I came back to the office in New Jersey and saw a client in custody, and now I'm back in the office getting ready to see some clients in the afternoon. With that said, they come out with an article today regarding probation and conditions of probation, and why probation and parole is something that you should never just kind of assume with regards to the conditions. And you want to pay very close attention to those conditions that a court sets. And I'm coming out with an article later today or tomorrow regarding whether or not a COVID vaccination could be a condition of probation in the future in Pennsylvania or New Jersey or both states. There is a case already of a judge in Ohio placing the COVID vaccination as a condition of probation, and whether that's constitutional or not. And in these times, since there's been a lot of debate over the constitutionality of requiring those vaccines for government workers, private workers, and I am not an employment lawyer, so I'm not going to get into that with regards to the constitutionality of that. But it is an interesting question. It's interesting to see if it will be a condition of probation, but it brings up a good topic. Remember, probation is always an alternative to a custodial sentence, whether it be a county jail sentence or a state prison sentence. And judges often, during a sentencing, stress that point to a defendant along with their family, that this is being placed, this condition of probation is being placed in lieu of a jail sentence. One of the terms that you'll hear a lot is whether or not a person is amenable to probation, and judges often look at a person's criminal history to determine whether or not probation is appropriate. If you served probation before and now you've had violations, or since probation, you're now back in front of that same type of situation, judges often will order some type of custody or custodial sentence because they will point to the fact that you had probation and you violated it, and therefore you weren't rehabilitated properly, and therefore we should institute some type of stiffer penalties. And that is the standard that a lot of judges use. And I tell my clients, obviously, we want to look toward obtaining acquittals and dismissals of charges, but pleas and convictions are a part of any criminal defense practice. If you have questions about probation or parole or violations of probation, give us a call, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, the website gambonelaw.com, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos, everything that I've written as a lawyer is available there in one convenient format. We answer our calls 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, because we know that a criminal matter can happen at any time or any place. So once again, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey. Have a great Wednesday, and I will talk to you all very soon.